everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. I bought some stuff from Target. They had a sale going on with their toys. I also purchased, and it's not here yet, but what instigated me shopping over at Target in the first place was I was looking for a little rolly cabinet for my supplies as far as doll customizing goes. I kind of have them like all over the place. So of course while I was looking for that, I had to go look at the toys. And I got a couple of dolls that I have been wanting for quite a while, and since they were on sale, I went ahead and pulled the trigger. Let's start looking at this doll first. Ooh. Now this doll, I have seen lots of people get her because she was about $6. Can you believe this? And she's on a made-to-move body. She is a little bit more full-figured than the leaner made-to-move dolls, but she is definitely super cool looking. I love her hair, and I really like her face mold. But made-to-move body for $6, I had to do it. So that's one of the dolls I got. This other doll I got was also, she was not $6, but she was something like 20% off, and then of course I used my Target card, got 5% off, and then also my Rakuten points. So that's my justification. Again, it's a made-to-move Barbie. She is one of the yoga dolls again, and she's dark complected with a ponytail on the side. You can see they're both set up in the I guess this is sort of a tree pose, but not exactly, because there are, I say it's not exactly because they're going off to the side here. So yeah, see how they have, so the tree pose would be straight up and down, but I guess that's the closest thing you can get to fit them in the box, right? So anyway, so she is also on a made-to-move body, and I figured while they're on sale, I've been looking at them, I should go ahead and get them. I really like the made-to-move Barbie bodies. In fact, here, this doll, I still have her in her evening gown from the Oscar Red Carpet collab that I did with Beth Ramsden, J Dolls UK, and Dolls Rescued. And so yeah, I still have her in this evening gown, but I like her so much. She's one of the Barbies that I typically go to when I want to try on clothes and stuff like that. But now I really like her in this outfit. So I was like, you know what? I need another one. So I just bought, you guessed it, all the yoga dolls. Here is the blonde chick. So now I have this yoga Barbie, this yoga Barbie, this yoga Barbie, and this one. I'm not sure. I know there are other similar yoga Barbies, but this is the sort of the same, you know, line, the made-to-move Barbie type one. I know there's one that have like a different outfit on. But anyway, so she's the blonde. She's fair, a little bit more fair-skinned, obviously. She's thinner than this woman is. This doll, she's not necessarily heavy, but she's just generally a bit larger. Even her arms look bigger. You can see that. So they did a nice job with her. She's more, I wouldn't say full figured, honestly. She's just more normal looking. These chicks are a little bit more skinny. Let's put it that way. So, and that's how this doll is. She's quite lean. But now I have all of them, and I will be unboxing these. I'm going to do that in a separate video, so that I don't go on and on and on. So keep an eye out for those upcoming videos. If you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed so you get to see them. But yeah, I will take them out individually and do a review on each one individually in a separate video. As usual, have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye-bye.